In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify, how to hide, unpublish a collection. If you need to temporarily remove a collection from your storefront without deleting it, unpublishing is the safest approach. Your products stay intact, your collection settings are preserved, and you can bring it back later with a couple of clicks. Start by signing in to your Shopify Admin. From the home dashboard, head to Products, then choose Collections. This is where all your collections live. If you have many, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you want to hide. Click the collection name to open its details page. Inside the collection, take a moment to confirm you're on the right one. You'll see its title at the top, its description if you've added one, and a products section listing everything included in that collection. These details don't need to change when you're simply hiding it. Next, locate the Publishing or Sales Channels section on the collection page. This area controls where the collection appears, such as your online store or any connected sales channels and apps. Click Manage to adjust visibility. In the Manage window, uncheck the channels where you don't want this collection to appear. For example, unchecking Online Store will remove the collection from your website, keeping it out of navigation, search, and collection pages on that channel. If you sell on additional channels, uncheck those as well if you want the collection hidden there too. Remember, this action affects the collection only. Your products remain available elsewhere unless they're also unpublished at the product level. When you're done selecting, click Done to confirm your choices. Back on the collection page, finish by clicking Save. This step is important. Changes to publishing don't take effect until you save. After saving, give your storefront a moment to update. If you still see the collection, try a hard refresh or clear your browser cache. A couple of quick tips. Unpublishing a collection won't delete it, and you can republish anytime by returning to the same Manage menu and rechecking the channels you want. If your navigation menu previously linked to this collection, that link may lead to a not found page while it's unpublished, so keep an eye on customer experience. Also, if you're working with automated collections, hiding the collection doesn't stop products from appearing in other collections where they still match the conditions. That's it. You've successfully hidden, or unpublished, a Shopify collection while keeping everything ready for when you want to make